guys, Dr. Kristie Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion. Today we are working our abs and we are getting some stretching at the same time. And if you are doing this on a holiday when this comes out, you can do this because you've got the time. All you need is a chair and your body, and let's get started. Here we go. Start with those arms right overhead. You're going to squeeze into those elbows as you lift that knee. Notice I'm leaning back just a little bit, pulling those abs in. You want to lean back as far as you can without engaging the back muscles. So if you start to feel this in your back, you need to just come up like this a little bit, thinking about keeping that belly button pulled in so you're not blooping or pushing those ab muscles out so that you're supporting that spine as well. And you can just follow right along with me. If you happen to need a little bit more mobility and loosening up, that's where the derma edge comes into play. Great at getting blood flow going, getting things a little bit looser. I keep one on my nightstand and I'll link that for you guys as well. One more on this side. Okay, we're gonna go opposite knee and elbow. Here we go. Like I said, working through some of those obliques now, as well as the rest of the abdominals. You cannot isolate abs, but you can bias them a little, which is what we're doing here. You should be starting to feel these, certainly. We're gonna make it a bigger little swing to get a little bit of spinal mobility in there and some shoulder mobility too. Wave to somebody on the outside. Good. Adding on to this one, you're going to add a little kick too. Start to stretch out those hamstrings. This actually makes those abs have to work a little bit harder as well. We want to work hard, but nicely. So always listen to your body as you're going through things. Almost done with this one. Nice, good. Okay, you're gonna bring those legs nice and wide. We're just gonna get a nice little stretch here. You're gonna fold, there goes my sunglasses. You're gonna just fold it forward until it feels good. Notice I'm obviously on a low surface here at Ocean Acres, but you can go ahead and sit in a higher chair, whatever's comfortable for your body. From here, you're now gonna add a little shift side to side, open up those hips even a little bit more. I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on, hands behind the head, keep that nice flat back. And I'm gonna come right up and shift it forward again. So still working through those abs. My glutes are actually engaging even a little bit sitting here. Elbows stay nice and open, so we're opening up that chest. Like I said, certainly opening up those hips. We're gonna get ready for the next one, which is even harder, so you can stick with this if you need to. But if you're ready for it, you're gonna stay in that nice wide pose and you're gonna do a little stand and a little sit. Notice it's just a partial stand. This is a lot of leg work, which is part of our core. Those inner thighs, outer thighs make a huge difference in supporting us. We're gonna do 10, if I can do it without sweating. I love to sweat, you guys know that. So I lied. I'm gonna do it with sweating. Almost there. Well, no, maybe not. You also know I'm a terrible counter. 3 more to go like this. There's 1. And you can use your hands if you need to help you up a little and get a little arm workout too. 2, 1 more to go. Woo, that was a thump, don't do that. And 3, good, we've got 1 more to go. You're gonna cross that ankle over, working through those hip rotators. I'm gonna lean it back, and then I'm gonna bring that knee towards the opposite side. So as I open, I lean back. As I come forward, I'm bringing that knee across. We're gonna do 10 on each side. Your hip should feel really good after this. There's 4. Try to press that knee open even a little bit more as you go. It's okay if you can't open anymore. Stay with where your body feels comfortable. Again, remember that's really important. Don't forget, you're still engaging in through those abs, right? We're still working there. We've got 1 more on this side. And then we're switching sides. Open up that knee. I just need to pause for a minute. This hip is a little tighter for me today. And then lean it. I lied. I did that wrong, didn't I? As long as you're getting that lean back, that open, and that pull across. There's 3, 4. So easy for you to find anywhere to do this, whether it's outside, whether it's inside. Family can do it. Lucky I'm in Maine right now and the weather happens to be nice, but oftentimes it's not. So sometimes you do have to go inside. 3 more to go and then you're done. There's 1, 2, and 3. Nice job, guys.